Hey kids, do you know how to divide with decimal numbers? Well, you can watch this presentation entitled, How Do I Do That? To learn how to divide with decimal numbers. This presentation will show you, step by step, how you can solve story problems like the one you will see done here. Remember, you can watch and rewatch this presentation as often as needed. So, what am I doing exactly? Today, you will be learning how to solve a problem in which you will divide a decimal number to the 10th place by a whole number. Again, for these problems, the decimal number will only go as far as the 10th place value position. Step 1. What is the story problem? In this case, Eli has a wooden board he wants to cut into 4 equal length pieces. The board is 1 6/10 meters long. How long will each piece be after Eli cuts the board into 4 pieces? Step 2. What am I seeing take place in this story? Well, 1. Eli has a wooden board. It is 1 6/10 meters long. 2. He wants to cut it into 4 equal length pieces. 3. Each piece will be the same length after cutting. The length of each piece has to be less than 1 6/10 meters. Now, in real world situations, remember, measure twice, cut once. It's true. Step 3. So now I'm going to make a drawing. First, I'm going to draw Eli's wooden board uncut, just like this. 2, I'm going to cut the board by making cut marks. There's where the first one will be, there's where the second one will be, and there's where the third one will be. So I'll have 4 equal parts. One piece of the board will appear like this. The question is, how long is that piece? Now I have a drawing that shows me what each cut piece would look like. Step 4. Now I'm going to add it onto a number line. By placing the wooden board with its cut marks on the number line, I can see the length of each piece of the board. First, my number line. Notice that it's been chunked into each piece being 1/10. There is my board on the number line. Again, the question is, how long is that one piece? Well, I can see that each piece is the same length and that one piece is 4/10 of a meter long. Step 5. Now I'm going to fit what I saw in my drawing back into the problem. Again, here's Eli's board. Here are the cut marks on Eli's board. 1, 2, 3. Notice there are 4 equal length pieces. So I'm dividing this one whole thing, the board, into 4 parts. I noticed before that it was 4/10 of a meter for 1. So 4/10 plus 4/10 plus 4/10 plus 4/10, or 4/10 times 4. So one piece of the board is 4/10 of a meter long. Now, Last week, I learned how to multiply decimals by a whole number. So I feel good about the idea of 4/10 times 4 equals 1 and 6/10. Step number 6. Now I'm going to look back at the story problem itself. Eli has a wooden board he wants to cut into 4 equal pieces. The wooden board is 1 and 6/10 meters long. How long will each piece be after Eli cuts the board into 4 pieces? Now I want to see how it sounds out loud. Eli had a wooden board that was 1 and 6/10 meters long. He cut the board into 4 equal length pieces. Each piece is now 4/10 of a meter long. So I can say with confidence, each piece of the wooden board Eli has cut is 4/10 of a meter long. So that is how I do that.